Hi everybody and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a WordPress website without paying for hosting. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a fully functional WordPress website using a free platform called Pantheon and how to design your entire website using Divi's pre-made layouts. This method is perfect if you're just starting with WordPress and want to practice or build your website before putting it live. Everything you create here can later be moved to a live server when you're ready. And the best part is, you don't need to write any code or design anything from scratch. We'll be using Divi's professional layouts that you can load with just a few clicks. Let's begin by setting up your WordPress site on Pantheon. Open your browser and go to pantheon.io. Create a free account if you don't have one already. Click on the Get Started button and fill in the sign-up form. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Pantheon dashboard. From here, click on Create New Site. Enter a name for your site. This will be part of the temporary URL Pantheon gives you. Then choose WordPress as your CMS. Pantheon will now begin creating your development site. This might take a minute. When it's ready, you'll see a button that says Visit Dev Site. Click that button to open your new WordPress site in a new tab. You'll see the WordPress setup page. Choose your site title, create a username and password, and enter an email address. Click Install WordPress to finish the setup. Now you're inside your WordPress dashboard. You've got a working WordPress site hosted for free in Pantheon's development environment. While it won't be public yet, it's perfect for designing and testing everything you want before going live. Now let's install the Divi theme. If you haven't already, go to Elegant Themes and download the Divi theme zip file. There is a link in the description where you can try Divi for a great price. Once you've downloaded Divi, come back to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Click the Add New button at the top, then Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file from your computer and click Install Now. When the upload finishes, click Activate. Now, Divi is your active theme. It includes both a theme and a visual builder, which we'll use to design your site using pre-made layouts. Let's start by creating your homepage. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and click Add New. Name the page Home and click the purple button that says Use Divi Builder. This opens the Divi Builder. You'll now see three options. Choose the one in the middle called Browse Layouts. This will take you to Divi's layout library. Here, you'll find hundreds of professionally designed layout packs for all kinds of websites: business, personal, e-commerce, portfolio, services, and more. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a layout that fits your needs. For example, if you're making a website for a bakery, you can search Bakery, and Divi will show you layout packs designed just for that. Each layout pack includes several pages, such as Home, About, Contact, and Services. Click on a layout pack to preview it. Then choose the layout you want to start with, for example, the homepage layout, and click Use this layout. Divi will now automatically load the layout onto your page. It may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once it's loaded, you'll see the entire homepage already built, with sections, rows, images, text, and buttons. Now you can customize it to match your own content. Click on any text to edit it. You can change the headline to match your business name. You can also replace the paragraph text with your own description. Click on any image to change it. You can upload your own photo or choose from your media library. You can move sections up or down, delete ones you don't need, or duplicate a section if you want to reuse it somewhere else. Divi makes everything visual and easy to manage. You can click on the settings icon of any module to adjust styles like colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds. Once you've updated all the text and images, click the purple button at the bottom and then click Save. Your homepage is now ready. Let's make it the front page of your website. Go back to the WordPress dashboard. On the left side, go to Settings and then click on Reading. Under your home page displays, choose a static page and select Home from the drop-down menu. Then click Save Changes. Now when someone visits your site, this beautiful homepage layout will appear. Next, let's create the rest of your site using the other pre-made layouts from the same layout pack. Go back to the Pages section and click Add New. Name this page About and click Use Divi Builder. Again, choose Browse Layouts and go to the same layout pack you used earlier. This time, select the About page layout from the pack and click Use this layout. Divi will load the design, and again, you just need to replace the sample text and images with your own. Click Save when you're done. Repeat this process for other pages like Services, Contact, or anything else you need. Each layout pack is designed to keep all the pages looking consistent. That way, your website feels clean and professional without you needing to worry about matching colors or styles. Now that you have your pages, let's create a menu to link them together. In the dashboard, go to Appearance and then click on Menus. Click Create a new menu and name it something like Main Menu. Click Create Menu. On the left, check the boxes next to your pages, Home, About, Services, and Contact, and click Add to Menu. Then drag the items into the order you want. Finally, under Menu Settings, check the box that says Primary Menu and click Save Menu. Now when you visit your site, you'll see the navigation bar at the top with all your pages linked. To update your site's general appearance, like your logo or global colors, go to the Divi tab in the dashboard and click on Theme Options. You can upload your logo, change the default color palette, and set other basic settings. You can also go to Theme Customizer to preview live changes like fonts, heading styles, button styles, and mobile menu layout. If you want to see how your site looks on different devices, open any page in the Divi Builder and click the screen icons at the bottom. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile view. You can even customize how your layout behaves on each screen size. Everything you've done so far is saved and live on the Pantheon development URL. You can share this link with others to show your work, get feedback, or review it on different devices. Pantheon keeps your changes saved online, so you can log in anytime from any computer and keep working on your site. Let's quickly review what you've done. First, you created a free WordPress site on Pantheon. Then, you installed the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. You used the Visual Builder and pre-made layouts to build a professional-looking homepage and other pages. You set up your navigation menu and customized the design without writing any code. All of this was done without hosting and completely for free. If you want to use Divi on your own site or future projects, check out the link in the description. Elegant Themes offers great pricing, and you get access to Divi along with other powerful tools that can help you design faster and better.